So it's back. Still need to do a few things. The drive shaft still needs a spacer or just a completely new rear drive shaft. Still rocking the Bluetooth drive shaft. Haven't done anything with the exhaust yet, but it's back home, so I could do all that on my time. And the first thing I need to do is give it a good wash. This is just unacceptable. Completely unacceptable. So I'm gonna get into that. Wonder how hard it's gonna be to wash the roof. I don't know, guess we'll find out. what do you want me to do? Just drive around like the corner, do some wheelies and stuff?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I just fall out. Okay, is that good? don't know, 20 or maybe 30 miles since it came back from the shop. And to be honest with you, it rides great. I haven't noticed anything different as far as ride quality. If anything, it might actually be better. It's high, it's up there. It's a little more difficult to steer, which is reasonable. You have those tiny stock tie rods still. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have many complaints. It's a little slower, which is obvious as well, but it's doing great so far. So there you have it, guys. Finally got to take it home. Let's see. It's lifted a total of 17 inches in the front and 15 inches in the rear. I just added a level to the front. You can see now that it pretty much skates these 38s. I definitely can fit a much larger tire on there, but for now I'm just gonna ride it the way it is. I like the way it looks. In the future, I do plan to get rid of these big coil spacers here. I want to go with a larger coil or some coilovers. Same with the rear. But I'm just glad I finally got to get it up there. Like I've said before, this thing is so much larger in person than it is on video. It's just insane. My wife's head ends like right here. This thing is nuts. The chrome FTS shocks are looking nice. They do get dirty easily. Once again, shout out to Straight Up Off-Road for making all this happen. There's going to be many more upgrades and many more things happening to this build, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I can't wait to see what's next.